Want to learn how to stop that dreaded translating the broadcast address output on your Cisco devices? Well, I'm Ronnie Wong, and this is a quick bite from ITProTV. All right, so many times you actually are on a Cisco device. Maybe you just bought one off of eBay and maybe brand new. But when it comes in, it may not be configured the way you need to, and what ends up happening is something like this. So I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit, and on my switch, I may actually end up doing, well, just a typo. So let's say I was trying to type in enable and I just mistyped it in, and then it slows down, and you actually start ending up seeing in just a few seconds here that idea where it actually tells you it's translating, and it's gonna show the broadcast address, and it's gonna say domain server, and then it's gonna do it again. And it's gonna take a long time for it to actually come back up. And so you may not know exactly how to stop that, but let me show you how to do that. So we're gonna let that finish, and I'm gonna go over to a router because it's pretty much the same thing that you have to do. And the command that you want is the one that I've typed in right here, which is in the global config, no IP domain dash lookup, okay? So no IP domain dash lookup. And when you actually go ahead and hit enter on that, and then I just go ahead and end, and let's say I try and type in enable again, but I misspell it. Now it may translate, but notice it's just going ahead and it's doing it very quickly instead. So that's what should end up happening. So let's try that again once everything is done. So this time we'll get back in, and then we'll go to our global configuration, and I can type in no IP domain dash lookup. And this time, if I go ahead and I exit again, brings me all the way back out. And as I bring back up my switch, I type in enable, and notice how it actually translated it very quickly. So that should go ahead and translate it for you. In other words, it's not gonna look it up, it's just gonna say, hey, I'm gonna forget about it, and allow you to get right back in very quickly. All right, you can learn about this and more at ITPro.tv. I'm Ronnie Wong, and this has been an ITProTV QuickByte.